In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Yahoo Mail shortcut to your desktop for quick access. Now, this process is quite straightforward and can save you a lot of time when you need to access your Yahoo Mail account frequently. So, let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to your desktop screen. This is where we'll be laying the foundation for your new shortcut. If you have other windows open, simply minimize them so you have a clear view of your desktop. Take a moment to ensure you have a nice, uncluttered view of your desktop area and that you're ready for the next step. Once you're comfortably looking at your desktop, find an empty space and right-click on it with your mouse. This action will prompt a context menu to appear. Think of this menu as a toolbox, filled with options that can help you customize your desktop. Now, from this menu, you're going to select the option labeled New. Clicking on New will reveal another drop-down menu with different choices of items you can create. Here's where it gets exciting. You should look for the option that says Shortcut. This is a vital step because you're about to create a direct link to Yahoo Mail. Once you've found Shortcut, go ahead and click on it. As you do this, the shortcut wizard window will make its appearance. This window might as well be your magic portal where you specify what you'd like your shortcut to link to. In the field provided within this wizard, type in the following URL, http://mail.yahoo.com. This URL directs your new shortcut to the Yahoo Mail login page, which means you'll be able to access your inbox with just a double click. Now, it's important to double-check that you've entered the URL correctly to avoid any problems accessing it later. Once you've made sure everything is in order and the URL is correctly typed, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action finalizes the setup of your new shortcut. Now, take a look at your desktop. You should see your newly created Yahoo Mail shortcut sitting there. This inconspicuous little icon is now your quick access gateway to your emails, just a double click away from the Yahoo Mail page. I hope you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. Having a Yahoo Mail shortcut on your desktop can significantly streamline your workflow, save you time, and make accessing your email as simple as a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your quicker access to Yahoo Mail.